Everyone, this is an unboxing of the Tab M10 HD by Lenovo. So it's a quad-core 2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 429 processor. It has dual-band Wi-Fi of 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. It has dual front-facing speakers. It's a multi-user for easy sharing. It has Dolby audio, and it has low blue light content, so it means it will go easy on the eyes. It is a 32 GB variant. There is a 16 GB variant available, but I wouldn't recommend getting that one, as a third of it the tablet would use it up. So the display size is 10.1 inches and the pixels are 1280 by 800, and the operating system is Android 9, but you can update it to Android 10. The battery size is a 4850 mAh. The model number is TB-X505F. Okay. So this tablet doesn't have an IP rating, so it's not waterproof or splash proof. And I've bought some third-party accessories for this tablet, so I'll show you them later. So this one comes with a UK plug and a micro USB cord. It's not a very long cord, unfortunately. And it comes with a card ejector tool. And so you can expand the memory of this tablet up to 256 GB. And this is the instruction leaflet. As you can see, there's different model numbers on this one, and the particular one I have is just the Wi-Fi version. You can get the LTE versions, and has some other useful information. So this has a front camera. It's 2 megapixels, and you can do face unlock with that. And on this side is for the Lenovo docking station, which will charge your tablet as well as act as a stand. You can buy that separately. On this side you have the 3mm headphone, your micro USB port and a mic, and this is where you would put your expandable memory card. And on this side you have your double speakers, and on this side you have your volume up and down and your power button. And on the back you have a 5 megapixel camera, and as you can see it's a fingerprint magnet, so I'd recommend getting a case. And also that, because it's not, it doesn't have an IP rating. So of course this is an Android tablet, and you can update it to Android 10, and the screen is really nice and clear. It has a kids mode, and that allows you to control the amount of time they spend on it, and really child-friendly things. And what else? Oh yeah, it's great for students and learning, which is one of the reasons why I bought this. So let's see, tapping BBC football. So the keyboard is really nice and wide. Oops, I typed that in wrong. So as you can see, it's quite nice and responds really well. And it's a really good tablet for the price bracket. I'll definitely recommend this for students and people who are learning, but not for gamers. I mean, the display, as you can see, it's clear enough. It's 1280 by 800. So this tablet has gesture controls, and if I remember correctly, it's not compatible with a pen. So now I'll show you the third-party accessories that I bought for the Lenovo. You can buy the official accessories. There's you can buy a kids bumper case, and it comes with a screen protector, but it costs £30. And you can get a portfolio case that also comes with a screen protector, and that costs £25. But I decided to buy third-party accessories, which I'll show you now. So this is a portfolio case. I bought this for £9 off eBay, and you can use it as a stand. And it's got a hard back, but you can tell the quality is not that great, but it will do the job. And it's important to make sure you get the right case for your tablet, because it's not very easy to find out which model's which, because there's quite a few variants of the same one, and some of the buttons and speakers are in different places. So I think the one that I have is a second generation one, and this is compatible with that one. So you've got your cutouts for your speakers there, and nice cutouts on the side for your buttons. And again, you can get different colours. And I bought these screen protectors from eBay. Again, this is a pack of 3. Just make sure you get the one that's for your model, which I said earlier in the video. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, I'll try and answer them. Okay, take care, stay safe, bye.